So yeah, we have the Asus Cerberus gaming headset. Um, it's actually pretty, I say mid tier kind of price. It's 2,500 pesos, which is like, um, I guess more people can buy it because most gaming headsets here are actually pretty expensive. They usually cost 4,000 or something, and it's even branded. It's an Asus brand. So yeah, most people would probably want to buy it. So we'll be giving this the most honest review as I can, in hopes that when someone buys it, uh, oh yeah, when someone buys it, they won't regret it, or they might find my review helpful. So let's look at the box. It says it's compatible with the PS4, and also designed for PC, Mac, and also smart devices. It's pretty it's pretty good if if I can use it on my phone. Uh, Here at the back, there's the usual stuff you will see. Also, it has a splitter cable, so I guess you can use it on both devices. I don't actually know, so we just check it out later. Also, a cable designed for smart devices. Oh, okay, that's good. See, oh, okay. So these are the package contents. Well, the headset, the detachable microphone boom, the mic audio splitter cable, alternative adapter cable, and a quick start guide. Here are the other specifications, as you can see. Well, I'm not actually. I guess I'm not actually that much inclined in audio, in in reviewing headsets. So I'll just give it like the commoner's view, or the average consumer's type of view. So let's start opening it. Set with the box removed. As you can see, the headset, the detachable boom mic. Here's the, I guess, the quick start guide. Wait, inside the black box is the quick start guide, the splitter cable, and the other adapter. The warranty notice. So yeah, we'll be testing the audio quality, if it's good. I actually want to test the mic because, well, when I'm gaming, I usually like to talk to my teammates. So we'll test that out later. Okay, so now let's talk about design wise. I really like it's really comfortable in the ear. Uh, I guess the only problem is it's not too flexible, if that's the term. I mean, it's okay if you have just like a medium-sized head, but there are some with, I guess, big heads that might find it somewhat annoying or uncomfortable. But for me, it's good. I like the cushions. It's very nice around the ears. So yeah, overall, the design, it's good. Looks well, looks cool, and the comfort is pretty good. For me, it's pretty good.
So this is how the Asus Cerberus mic sounds like. Uh, I don't actually like the mic quality. It's not really that good, but I guess it's the noise cancelling feature is good. The audio is kind of good, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna compare it with the with my old A4 Tech headset and mic.
So now I'm recording using the A4Tech H530 microphone. I guess it's much more louder than the Asus Cerberus head mic, so I guess it's better. But the cushion, the ear cushion is the ear cushion for the Asus Cerberus headset is, I guess, way more better. It's more comfortable around the ear. At least that's in on my experience. So yeah, um, I'm gonna try also the S SF920 condenser microphone. So now I'm using the SF920 condenser microphone to end the video. I guess uh I guess for aesthetics, the Asus Cerberus is pretty good. It's comfortable, but I guess I'll recommend this the A4 Tech H530 for just all around use. The audio quality is good. It's good in the A4 Tech. I, I I guess the only redeeming quality for the Asus Cerberus is the noise canceling. The noise canceling feature. So there. When buying gaming headsets, make sure to, I guess, do a little research. Check YouTube for reviews, because if you're actually using it for, I guess, just Skype or just playing with friends, then it's okay. But if you actually want to start making videos for YouTube or any platform or streaming, I guess um you should try getting more options. Like this. Currently I'm using the A4 Tech headset for the audio output. My audio input is the SF920 condenser mic. I guess the condenser mic is much more suited if you want to have that clear voice. So yeah, if you just want a clear voice, especially when you're doing videos for YouTube, I guess a condenser mic is probably better. Or I guess just try buying I don't know, a Razer or something if you're really into headsets. So yeah, this is my review for the Asus Cerberus headset. I hope you I hope you found it helpful. And as always, oh, and and well, and one more thing I just want to add. Uh, so yeah, the Asus Cerberus is pretty cheap if you think about it for a gaming headset. So I guess I shouldn't um, nitpick it too much. Uh, but yeah, it's just really disappointing because Asus is a well-known brand, so you're really expecting like good quality. I'm not saying it's actually that bad, but I'm saying they could have tried better. So yeah, thank you again for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, I guess, or I don't know, just leave a like, comment, or if you think that my review was pretty bad, just leave a comment and I'll read it. So as always, thank you